Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back to work on the Ducati 848. As you might have saw, we're shipping off those frame sliders to one of you guys. We've got Santiago's foot pegs in this box. We just received our ambient air temp sensor. And right over there is some matte black paint that's gonna match these fairings super well. So let's get to it and finish up this 848. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I don't know how I missed that, but those are not the same mirrors. This mirror came with the bike from the auction. This one was an 848 eBay purchase. I don't know what I did wrong here. Oh well, at least it works. Right side blinking. And you guys already saw the left side blinking, so we're good. Ambient air temp sensors all in place, plugged in, good to go. No faults on the dashboard anymore. So let's put the windscreen on, finish the front. We're gonna have to take it off for a new mirror once again, but that'll be later. But let's start working on that tank, finish it up. Are you guys ready? Hopefully we have enough gas. Okay. That sounds good. So we're checking around the bike, no leaks, no nothing. That's awesome. There's a little bit of residue burning off the bottom of the exhaust, but that's gone now. Man, this thing sounds wicked. Now that gas in the fuel tank is super old, so that's why I assume it's running a bit rough. Now we're gonna bring it in the garage, check the oil. All right, she needed a little oil. Low on gas though. Right in the middle, all right. Oil's looking good. Now there's only one thing left to do. Let's pause the installation of the rest of the plastics. Let's go to the gas station. Right now I am recording through my Cardo. Sick new feature. We are super low on gas. 0. It says 0. Here, man, this lever is so tiny. Oh man, this thing is amazing. Turn signals are working. That's awesome. Second, third. What in the horse? What the heck? Are y'all seeing? Legendary, sir, legendary. Fantastic. Car wash? Yes, no, yeah? Okay, we're full there. The cops have arrived. Fire it up, please. Oh, beautiful. Right turn, downshift. Oh, beautiful. I would sing the national anthem, but this is an Italian bike. Oh, she's getting hot underneath the seat. I understand what you Ducati guys are talking about. Woo. Kickstand down, make sure nothing's on fire. Now some of you guys are saying get rid of the yellow taillight, but actually when the light is on, that's like a orangey reddish. It actually looks pretty dope. And I definitely thought the lights in the front were gonna be bluer, but I mean, it does look a little bit better than just the yellow that originally comes with the bike. Temps look good, 183. It did cool down on the way here. Not leaking anything underneath. That's a huge plus since the exhaust is literally right there. I am really digging this bike. Brakes are good, clutch was good. Let me get this thing legal, registered, and we're going on a ride tomorrow. We sure made good time. ain't no way. Holy bananas. PSA, clean your seats. Let's get out there and do our first ride.
I am too short for this.
There we go, guys. The 848 is complete. I could use a little bit more juice, but still a beautiful bike. We will catch you guys back at the house for a price reveal. So what did this whole build cost me? Purchase price of the 2010 Ducati 848 was $3,745, and that includes shipping to my house. Now, almost all of my parts came from eBay. I spent $1,417.83 on eBay for parts on this 848. Now, my biggest purchase on eBay was the ECU, the dash, and the key, along with the ignition. That was $791.20. Now, as you can see from the rest of it, it was just small little parts that added up to $1,417.83. So with the purchase price of the bike at $3,745 and eBay at $1,417.83, the total for this bike is $5,469.21. So a clean title 848 for $5.5 grand. Now I had two other purchases off of eBay, and that were the belts from Desmo Time and the title fee for title and registration. I gotta say, that's a smoking good price on a clean title 848 that only has 7,500 miles on it. I did factor in the cost for a new mirror that has a shorter base, and I did factor in the cost for some decals because this tank is pretty bare. Everything else is in tip-top shape. And of course, to God be the glory for this build. We've got plenty of bikes and new bikes, but we have plenty of work to do. We'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.
I can't see. Oh my gosh, it's gonna blow. I think we're in sport mode.